Okay, let's have a look at how to set up different types of pages on the Youth Group app. And what I'm talking about here is actually the kind of second level menu pages. So here on the front of the app, you see the latest news and info. And if you click on that, indented, you see a series of pages here. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you heard us here first. So how do you set up these pages, which are second level pages from the front page of the app? Just like those ones there, or pause for thought. Here we go. There's another series of second level pages here. So how do you set up that type of page as opposed to a front page menu page? So let's have a look. Let's go from the app into the editor. And here we are. There's the names of those pages down here on the left. Latest news and info, percentage mark, you heard it here first. And then latest news and info, percentage Facebook. So what's happening here is the characters before the percentage mark are the names of the main primary menu page, and after that it's the name of the secondary menu page. And so you see there you have latest news and info, you heard it here, latest news and info, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. So you do that quite simply by naming the file with a percentage mark in the middle of it. So if I was to take Twitter and rename it, there we go, let's just go down here, rename it, and you can see that the full name of the page isn't just Twitter, but it's latest news and info, percentage Twitter. So if we take that bit out there and just call it Twitter, it will now appear on the front page of the app. Go back here, refresh, and now you see Twitter appearing just here, whereas a second ago it was in here. So to move this page into or nest it underneath latest news and info, let's go back and show you again. You actually take the page. We've already got the Twitter page set up, so let's just go to the Twitter page and rename it. So let's go down and rename, and this time we're putting in latest news and info, percentage mark, Twitter. And the bit before the percentage mark has got to be exactly as the other primary pages on that. So we'll click on OK. So it's got to be exactly the same as the other latest news and info. You can't make any spelling mistakes or anything else. So let's go back and refresh the app page. And there you go. Twitter has jumped back into latest news and info. So I hope that helps.